This video is for generate and install Let's Encrypt SSL certificate for ASTPP. So this is my ASTPP. This is the admin portal. So I'm going to show you. So from my this is right now my ASTPP is accessible with the IP, with my server IP. Okay, so the first thing what I will do is I will change this server IP to my domain, whatever the domain I have for my server. So let me log in into my SSH. So I have already logged in and I'm in root. So what I have to go for is I have to go for the file where leave astp config.conf. Yes, so from this file, from here I have already added a domain for my ASTPP, the a smart telephony platform.astpbilling.org. So what I will going to do is I will uncomment this and I will comment the IP part. So right now once I will uncomment this domain, means base URL with the domain, so I can be accessible my ASTPP with the domain. So this domain is pointed to my, this domain is resolving to my server IP. Okay, so let me save this. So now if I copy this, okay, and then here I will going to paste it and I will going to enter, and now you can see the my ASTPP is accessible with the domain. So now, but right now the thing is, it's the connection is not secure. The SSL, means Let's Encrypt SSL, is not there. So now we need to we need to apply, we need to install the Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. So we have the documentation also on docs.astppbilling.org. Here you can see the Let's Encrypt configuration documentation is already made by our team. So from here we need to follow step by steps. Okay, so that same thing I am going to do here on my server. One thing here, like, let me log in into my server SSH. I'm in root now, so I will show you my OS, get etc OS, and this is the Debian 9. Yes, so here the steps is mentioned here is for Debian 9. So we can follow the same steps for CentOS 7 and Debian 10 also. Yes, instead of apt we need to follow the yum. So let me follow these steps one by one. So the first thing is, let us add a repo for the certboard package installation. So these are the steps to install the certboards packages with Nginx. Yes, so let me do the steps one by one. Here the first step, it says it is already in newest version, it is already there. The second steps, let me add here, press enter to continue. Okay, okay, and the third steps, we can have the sudo apt get update as per the documentation. So I'm following the documentation only. Okay, I will not do any different things here. So whenever you need the Let's Encrypt SSL certificate to apply on your ASTPP domain, you can have the documentation, you can have the video, and you can do it by yourself. Yes, so let me have this last command. You can see, yes, that this command is also successfully done. And now you can see, as per the documentation, it is saying open server block for ASTPP or your own domain config. So this is the file where we can put our domain. Okay, means for SSL certificate, we can have the SSL certificate there, we can have the domain also there. Let me open the file. So this is the file. Here you can see the server name. We can have SSL certificate and SSL certificate key. So now we are applying the let's encrypt. So if suppose we have our own SSL certificate and key, we can have in this two parameters. We can have the file in our servers, and we can put the path over there for both the file, for both the CRT and key file. So for now I'm going to have the domain here. So I'm copy this domain, and let me go into the astp.com file once again, and then just copy paste over there, save it. And now the next step is, yes, you can see here in the server name we have to put the domain, and then we have to uh, see, we have to check if that is successfully done or not. So this is the command, and you can see the configuration file. It is nginx conf etc nginx test is successful. So now the last step, not the last step, we have to reload our nginx, whatever the changes we have done on the astp.com file, the configuration file, we have to reload it. So now the step is for, you can see, allow necessary port like 80 and 443. That means 80 and 443 port should be open for the server, and then otherwise there might be issues while generating the certificate by using below command. So this is the command for generating the certificate for the specific command, whatever the sorry, specific domain. So this is the command over there. So let you can see the command is sudo certbot dash dash nginx space dash d, and after space the domain, whatever the domain you want to have the let's encrypt SSL certificate, you can have the domain, and you can click on enter. So enter email address. They're asking for email address. And please read the terms of service at ASTPP. Yes, agree. Would you be able to share your email address with electronic? It's fine, we can use. And now with this command, yeah, you can see please choose whether or not to direct HTTP traffic to. Yes, we need to redirect to HTTPS. Yes, so we have to press 2, and we click on enter. And you can see the congratulations, your certificate and chain have been saved at etc. These are the two part. And if I open this configuration file astp.conf, you can see both parameters has been updated with a new path with new files, fullchain.pem and the private and the privkey.pem. Yes. So now I will open this domain. I will open this ASTPP domain in a new tab, and you can see it is now secure. So for auto renewal we have one command. So in the documents we can copy that command, and we can have in cron tab in our server. So I will show you how we can do that. Cron tab -e, and we can have the command here. Cron, this will do is every night at 2 a.m. it will going to renew the certificate. If any day the certificate is expired, so it will automatically going to renew. Okay, so this is how we can configure let's encrypt SSL certificate on ASTPP.